Well, as you can see, it's all back together. What I'm missing is a shield off of this side. Looks like that. So, I may have to try to make something. That would be very interesting. But hey, wouldn't be the first thing I've ever made. And bolts them right down there at the bottom. Those two bolts and these two bolts up here. Oh, come on! Now it's going to be argumentative. A minute ago it was starting every time. It's going to make a liar out of me. Maybe it doesn't like the air cleaner. Anything's possible. Now it's going to start every time. The only thing I found to be really odd is that it will start when you let off of the crank. Otherwise you sit there and crank it and crank it and crank it and it won't start. The second you let off, it'll start. So it may be something in the ignition switch itself. I don't know. I've repaired all the chewed up and eaten up wires. Can't come up with any other ideas. Other than that, it sure smells like it's running rich. So that's another problem for another day, and valve cord broke off in that tire. So, and that's another problem for another day. Okay, pick back up. Took the switch out. As you probably noticed, it would only start after I let up off of the switch with a screwdriver, turning backward. Man, when I got in there, I found these. It's slightly in pieces. So, that, and I also found out that, hey, it only charges when you turn the switch back to headlight position, not in the run position. So, I'm guessing there's something screwed up in this. They used a screwdriver or something to drive down in here. That wasn't done with a drill. So I got a new ignition switch for it. It came in yesterday. And we're going to test it out and see if it works. I guess I need the keys now. Now that I actually have a key. Step over a few things here. Might as well just pop that all the way in. least that's a good thing. It starts when you're cranking it. Let me step over here. Get over by the throttle. I think I flooded it. Well, you heard it run for a second. And it could be out of gas. It's going to be my yeah. Well, that answers that quick and easy enough. It's out of gas. So I'll put some more gas in it. Pop the vent first, because you want gas spraying out all over the place. I didn't put that much gas in this thing, so. Only a little bath back there. Got to weld up the hood brackets so that I can put the hood back on this thing. There's just one little frog right over there. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Have a good day. Bye.